So here are the 7 things you need to know about the YouTube algorithm, and every creators must hear this. If you're struggling to get views, subscribers, or YouTube is not recommending your videos, this video will clear your confusion. So without wasting much time, let's get into the main topic. So as you can see on my screen right now, we have what the YouTube algorithm really is. First of all, let's make this clear. I got some note here. I'll be displaying it on the screen so you can also follow it. The YouTube algorithm is not against you. This is like most of the people misunderstood this. Like the YouTube algorithm hates me, it's not promoting my videos and all those stuff. The YouTube algorithm is not against you. The YouTube algorithm is simply a system that help YouTube decide which video to show to which people, because the YouTube algorithm cannot show an entertaining video to a health niche. Don't get me wrong, or a health niche to fitness niche. Cannot mix niches together. The YouTube algorithm, what the YouTube algorithm really want is to keep people watching, to keep people on the platform, which is YouTube. The YouTube algorithm main goal is simple: to keep people watching as long as possible. So a lot of people think YouTube pushes big creators, like YouTube promote big creators videos, and also so that they can subscribers and all those stuff. But that's not true. YouTube tests your video first. The moment you upload your videos on YouTube and it's now live, whether you publish it or schedule it and it's now live, the YouTube algorithm tests it to a small group of people. If people click on it, which is your CTR, your thumbnail, your title, watch it, your attention, and enjoy the video, YouTube show it to more people. YouTube now decide that yes, this video is good for if person A enjoy this video, person B might also like this video. So let me push it to person B. And if person B like the video, it will push it to person C, like that. This is how videos go viral. And if they don't, YouTube slow it down. It's marked as like bad signal, right? So here are the three main things that the YouTube algorithm cares about. Number one, we have the click through rate, which is your CTR. This means people click on your this means people click on your videos when they see the title or thumbnail. Is your title catchy? Is your thumbnail attractive? If your title and thumbnail are boring, the YouTube algorithm can't help you for sure. Because the YouTube algorithm cannot force the people to click on the video on your video. Number two is your watch time. This means how long people stay watching your video. If people click your video and leave after 10 seconds, 10 to 15 seconds, YouTube sees that as a bad signal. Yes, you need to put your intro very, very, very good, attractive hook. Number three is audience satisfaction. This includes likes, shares, and people watching till the end. YouTube wants to know, did this video actually help someone, educate someone, entertain someone, or is this video valuable? And if yes, it will promote it to more people. So here's why small creator can go viral. So the good news is you don't need subscribers to go viral. Yes, you don't need subscribers to go viral. You don't need special connection to go viral, to grow your YouTube channel. You don't need expensive equipment like camera, gear, and other stuff. If your video keep people watching, no matter who you are, YouTube algorithm will recommend it, because all they want is to keep people on their own platform, to keep people on YouTube watching for a long time. So we have the big mistake most creators make, right? The one big mistake is trying to please the algorithm instead of the viewers. Always remember this. The algorithm follows the audience. Yes, the algorithm follows the audience. If you if you like if you keep your audience entertained to keep them watching, probably YouTube will promote your video to more people. So what you're going to be doing is focus on about 70% to your audience, to make your video entertaining for your audience, and 30% for your SEO, so that the YouTube algorithm can understand it. If people enjoy your content, the algorithm will enjoy it too. So if this video helped you understand the YouTube algorithm better, like this video, I'm going to be sharing more tips on this channel about YouTube algorithm, YouTube growth, automation stuff. So subscribe if you want to grow on the YouTube the smart way, and comment if you want more video like this. Just let me know the type of content you want me to create for you guys. Love you guys. See you in the next video.